I like that new seat.
Yeah, man, this is the low pro convoy. It'll get you where you need to go.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, right quick before we go any further, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I bring you videos. But for today, we are here with Alec and his 1986 Fox body that he just picked up last night. Now, this is kind of a project car for him. He has been bit several times with rust buckets as far as Fox bodies, and he finally found one that appears not to have any rust whatsoever. And so he picked this car up last night, so we're kind of going to show you a little bit about the car, guys. It is a, like I said, a 1986 Fox body. It is a coupe. Like I said, it's a project car. It's something that he's going to be working on as time goes on. He's going to be doing things to the car. You know, as you can tell, it's going to get body work, it's going to get paint. It's a extremely straight car as far as no rust. Doesn't look like it's ever been in any kind of big accident or anything. It's a pretty straight car. One thing, guys, is as you can tell, it does have some itty bitty tires on here. The previous owner just threw them on there, just something to throw on there so we can get it down the road. But he has a set of Mickey Thompsons ordered, and they will be coming and be on the car probably within this week, depending on shipping with Christmas and everything. But we're going to take care of that anorexic tire thing going on right there. Now, Alec, you picked this up last night, so you just got the car. You drove it, picked it up probably, what, 30 minutes from here? Yeah, and drove it back. So from what you understand, what's done in the car, what all the previous owner kind of gave you a sheet and stuff like that. So what all's been done in the car as far as you know?
Okay, as far as I know, it is, you know, 302 has been bored 30 over, so technically a 306. Has a custom grind can. Not sure what the lift or duration is on that. I do know that it has 1.7 crane rockers in it, growler carburetor, long tube headers, and the 3-inch BBK X pipe dumped out before the back tires. I mean, basically your typical Fox body setup, just something to run up and down the street, backed up with a T5.
He ordered a radiator and a fan last night. Before you even got home, he started ordering parts.
Yeah, I was actually, while I was driving, which I know that's not good.
But guys, he's got that stuff on the way. So he's got a radiator and a fan, electric fan assembly on the way. We'll be putting that on the car. And guys, as the car progresses, I'll keep you guys updated with the car. I'm extremely excited for him. He's been wanting a Fox for a while. And like I said, been bit several times with buying cars, and they end up finding major rust throughout the car. So this car has been going over, and it appears not to have any rust anywhere. So you mentioned it has a cam, so, you know, we got to hear it. We got to hear it. All right. Listen to that. So like I said, guys, there's a lot of things coming for this car. For right now, we are just going to be putting interior in it tonight. guys, we got the driver's seat in, we got some of the trim in, and we actually thought all the bolts were here to bolt everything in, but the passenger side seat bolts are not here, so we're gonna have to get some of those, and there's some screws missing we're gonna have to get. But you know, just little things that, you know, when you get a car that's not put together, that, you know, you just run across. Like I said, guys, we'll be doing work to this car, and it will be on the channel from time to time as he progresses with it. Guys, I still have not decided on a name for the car, and I want to thank everybody that has thrown out the suggestions. There's quite a few good suggestions out there that I'm still looking at. I'm kind of want something to just jump out and grab me. You know, once I name the car, it's kind of going to stick with the car. So, you know, I've even thought about Venom, just because it's black, and I guess because the other day I was watching the movie Venom, and yeah, anyway, guys, leave a comment below. Like I said, I'm still just thinking about it, trying to decide on a name for the car that just 100% suits the car. I actually do like Venom, so if you guys like Venom, let me know. I don't know. What do you think, Alec?
I like Venom. I think it sticks really good.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of like the way, you know. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments if you like that name. If y'all do, we might end up naming the car that, or, you know, it just depends. Like I said, there's a lot of good suggestions that you guys threw out there that I am still considering also. And guys, I don't know if you can see it on camera, the car is filthy. It's been raining here, and I do drive the car all the time. But Alec, you want to wash it?
I can.
Also, guys, I have not forgot about the wife's car. I do have the 18 intake manifold. I do have the IMRC lockouts. I do have, of course, the 47-pound injectors that I took out of this car when we put the bigger injectors in. I've got those. I've got everything set. Fortunately for Daryl, he's been extremely busy. His shop's been extremely busy, and he's been busy tuning. So we have not found time that's good for both of us to get together. As soon as we do that, it'll probably be after the first of the year, guys. I know I wanted to get that done before this track season ended, but track season actually ended a little earlier than I anticipated because of the nasty weather we've been getting. It's either been raining or just too cold every weekend. But after the first of the year, things will settle down. We will get the wife's car, get those parts on it, get it to Daryl, get him to tune it. Guys, I will be going out to Dover shop tomorrow, so the shop's cranking up. If you haven't been watching Foxcast lately, there's been a couple videos out there. They've already been out there. But for me, I work all week at the dealership, so I'm only able to get out there on the weekends, but I am headed out there tomorrow. We will be working on some cars out there tomorrow, so I will be bringing you that video next week. Guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not, and we'll see you next time.